today's the day of the installation, and here we got the Wilwood brake kits. Everything is out. This is just a little close-up. What's going on, YouTube? So in this video I'm gonna start the installation of the Wilwood brakes. So here I got both brake kits, and for the front I went with the TC6R. For the rear I got the Aero4 brake kit. The brake kits came with the new brackets right here for the calipers, and here we got the rotors. Here we got some hardware along with the brake pads, and right here we got the calipers. Here we got the hat/drums, more hardware, brake pads, and the instructions. Can't forget the stickers. We got the collection in my room right here. Now these brake lines I did have to buy separately. They're the stainless steel braided flex lines. So we pretty much got everything we need for the first assembly. So here we got the front right rotor, and this thing is pretty huge. Look at that. And we got 16 inches. And here we got the hat. So I got my hat upside down, and make sure that your rotor is on this side. This is gonna face down right here, and line up your holes. And I added 2 bolts on the sides, that way whenever I add Loctite and start putting them in, it won't move out of its place.
Baby, you know you killing it.
Era.
All we gotta do now is torque it to spec, and here we got 25. That's what it calls for.
No. No.
So I had to do the rest of the torquing off camera. This is how she looks. Hell yeah. Here on the left we got the drum or hat. 14¼ rotor right here. So I got my hat facing down. Make sure that this side is facing down. Here I got my washer. Put my bolt in and add some Loctite. Washer and bolts are in, along with its Loctite. This is an inch torque wrench right here. We're gonna set it to 140. That's the spec of these bolts. Right there, we got 140. Lock it. So we put the bolts in along with the Loctite and washers, and this is how she looks. The last thing that we got to do to the rotor, and that is the safety wire. So today's the day of the installation, and here we got the Wilwood brake kits. Everything is out. This is just a little close-up. And I won't be doing that much talking. I'm just gonna let you guys see the process. But yeah, man, hopefully you guys sit back and enjoy.
Two
Pop's got everything assembled already, and this is how the front one looks without the wheels. And this is the rear. Now we are gonna do the brake bleeding another day. We just assembled everything today for now. Still gotta edit this video. There's so many clips and I try to make it as short as possible. But hopefully you like this video. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Peace.